The South African icon Nelson Mandela has sadly passed away. The former president of South Africa was surrounded by his friends and family when he died. Mandela grew up in rural South Africa. He devoted his life to racial equality and was first arrested in 1962. He was convicted of conspiring to overthrow the government and even served 27 years in jail, thinking he would never be freed, but was eventually released in 1990. Nelson Mandela went on to become the first black president of South Africa as a result of the first fully representative multiracial election. From then on, he focused on dismantling the apartheid by fighting racism, poverty, and injustice. Recently, his life was even chronicled in the Hollywood biopic called Mandela: Long Walk to Freedom. The movie has already become South Africa's highest-grossing film since opening there last week. Mandela had been receiving round-the-clock care since September after suffering a lung infection and sadly passed away on December 5th at the age of 95.